In order to use the Blender add-on Conformal Channel V2 version 2, we had to import FreeCAD as well as part module from the FreeCAD in order to run the add-on without any problems. First we have to type import sys. First we have to open the text editor. In order to open the text editor, from this drop down menu we have to go to under scripting, select the text editor, and after selecting the text editor we have to click on the new object, new or open. These two option will be there. Click on the new option so that the scripting interface got activated. From this scripting interface we have to type this import sys.path.append. Next, in the double quoted string we have to show the path to the FreeCAD library folder. In my case this is a home. I am using Linux, so it is home, my username. Then I have installed FreeCAD package within Miniconda. Miniconda is a Python distribution package manager. So one of the environment is FreeCAD. In that FreeCAD there is library, a folder. Within that library what you will see is the FreeCAD.so in case of Linux. In case of Windows you have to point to .dll, FreeCAD.dll as well as part.dll. Here in my case FreeCAD.so and part.so are located in this FreeCAD/library folder. And after that we have to type import FreeCAD as app, then import part. We have to import both FreeCAD as well as the part module. Then in order to check whether the output whether we are getting the output, we have to make a print statement. This one, the app.vector is a FreeCAD vector object and part.vertex is a vertex object. If we run the script and if we check the console, we can see this is the previous one. Only one output you will get. This is the previous check that I have done before making this video. So when you check, you will get the vector object, FreeCAD vector object, the first one, and the second one will be the part.vertex object. If you get these output, then you are good to go and to install the Conformal Channel V2 Blender add-on.